Coming to theaters from Walt Disney Pictures.
Walt Disney Pictures presents a very special look at the making of The Rescuers Down Under.
For the Disney animated films, we can transport our audiences to magical, mythical, fanciful places that exist only in the minds of our artists. And that's part of the wonder of animation.
The Rescuers Down Under is Disney's first ever animated sequel.
Simply wonderful.
Set in the rugged outback of Australia, it's an action-adventure tale that began taking shape here at the Disney Studios in Hollywood, where 500 artists have created the over 1 million drawings it takes to produce a Disney full-length animated feature film.
In the process of starting The Rescuers, the sequel was easy because we had such great characters.
The Rescuers Down Under reunites the voice talents of Ava Gabor as Bianca.
You are a darling.
And Bob Newhart as Bernard.
Duty calls.
And introduces George C. Scott as the villainous McLeach.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
And John Candy as Wilbur the Albatross airliner.
Throw another shrimp on the Barbie, girls! Here I come!
Once the voices have been recorded, Disney artists begin the painstaking process of bringing the sketches to life.
It's an action-adventure film that's just awesome. Visually, it's going to be probably the most stunning animated film we've ever done.
I think we're on a big, big upswing in terms of people's understanding that animation's a wonderful form of entertainment.
Over 4 years in the making, The Rescuers Down Under becomes the latest Disney full-length animated motion picture.
Don't miss this timeless Disney classic, now on video cassette.
Share the magic of America's best-loved holiday tales this Christmas season. The classics that have warmed the hearts of generations are waiting for you on video cassette from Family Home Entertainment.
Okay, Rudolph, full power!
Like the timeless Christmas treat, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, with very merry music by Burl Ives. Then, it's everybody's favorite tale of Frosty the Snowman, filled with the songs of the wonderful Jimmy Durante.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout.
And the great Fred Astaire sings up a storm in Santa Claus is Coming to Town, also starring the voice of Mickey Rooney. There's more Yuletide magic with the Little Drummer Boy, voiced by Greer Garson, Jose Ferrer, and featuring the songs of the Vienna Boys Choir. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Frosty the Snowman, Santa Claus is Coming to Town, and the Little Drummer Boy. Video classics for you to take home and treasure this holiday season from Family Home Entertainment.
Coming soon on video cassette. Get ready for fun.
Look out below!
And adventure with Disney's timeless animated classic, The Rescuers. It's the story of two memorable mice, Bernard and Bianca. They might not look like heroes, but this pint-sized pair is on one big mission.
What's that?
To rescue an orphan girl from a forbidden island.
What a dreadful place.
And the wicked Madame Medusa. An unforgettable story that will capture your heart.
We've come to rescue you.
Did you hear that, Teddy?
Walt Disney's classic, The Rescuers.
And now for our feature presentation.